Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to hear from you. At the end of this video, I'm going to have an update on the $1,000 giveaway that I'm going to have. Y'all stick around and listen to that. It's going to be how we're going to operate that whole thing. I've never done a giveaway before, so this is my first time, but we're going to make it easy and simple. In the beginning, the House introduced a proposal with a price tag of $3 trillion. They knew it would not pass the Senate. The Senate did nothing for about 3 months. Then they said they would only spend $1 trillion. Then the House, instead of coming down, went up to $3.4 trillion. The Senate agreed on a stimulus check and wanted to pass that part. The House said no piecemeal. They wanted all passed at one time. Then the House came back to Washington to vote on the post office bill, which is a piecemeal. The Senate says no, that the post office has $10 billion and they would be just fine. All this time, the toddlers has been playing games with our lives and livelihood. We, the people, are still going without a stimulus check. Y'all, this is our money and they will not let us use it. This is why I say this whole thing is a game to them. They knew what they was doing all along, and now we know. They are working together like a well-oiled machine. But the thing is, they're working against us. This was their plan all along. All three sides are playing us like a fool. I'm talking Democrats, Republican, and the White House. They're all playing us. Y'all, it's time we vote all of these crooks out of office. Every one of them. If they're in office now, vote them out. Now the president part, I'm having a tough time on that one. We're going to just have to pick the best one that there's not a good one. We're going to just have to pick the best one out somehow. We got to get them all out of office. We need a clean sweep. If we just get part of them out, we're not doing any good. We got to get them all out. Infections spread, and one of them in there is like an infection. It will spread to the others. Okay, y'all, update on the $1,000 giveaway. I want to let you know the way I've figured out we're going to do it. I got a lot of good suggestions from yesterday's video, and I'm taking some of those and putting them into this. Well, if I get my papers in the right spot. Okay. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, we will have this giveaway. We are now at 70,000 subscribers. I will be giving away $1,000. I will pick one person each day for 10 days to get $100. I will only be picking from the comments of the morning video. And you must be a subscriber to win. I don't have a number picker. I don't even know how to use them if I had one. So y'all will have to trust me on this. We're going old school. You can only win one time. And you must comment every day for the 10 days on the morning video. All you have to say in the comment is contest. I'll know to put your name in the hat for that day winning. I want to wish everyone good luck. The contest will start the day we hit 100,000 subscribers. So I will keep you updated on how close we're getting. I'll probably update you about once every 2 weeks until we get there. Y'all, I really want to get to 100,000 subscribers. I want that silver play button to hang right back there. I think it'd be pretty back there. Y'all, I love you all. I'm wishing you all good luck right now. And I may make another video today. I'm not sure yet, but just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Leave me your comments, your thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.